In this world, we live to work. Therefore, we work to live. Every day we use our times, skills, and experience to help build the dreams of others. What about your dreams? What about your ambitions? Recently laid off? Looking for a new career? Tired of working for others? Are you chained to the 8 to 5 rat race? There is hope. There is a way out. We are living in a time unlike any other times. Our world is in a transitional paradigm shift between the industrial age and ever-growing digital age. The internet has completely transformed the way we do business. It has created infinite opportunities for any individual with a basic internet connection and a laptop. Finally, there's a better way to make more impact and make more. You can now enjoy the virtual lifestyle. Freedom, flexibility, and control of your life and time. No driving required, ever. Are you driven, connected, and ambitious? Financial freedom and self-reliance is on the horizon for those who are brave enough to take the first steps. Will you take the opportunity? Will you take action? Discover how you can create multiple streams of income. Start the life you dream of, a life of freedom and financial security, with less stress and more time to focus on what matters most. Have the work-life balance you deserve. Start working and earning online today.